The One-Upping Wonder, written by Betta to Give, illustrated by Seymour Good. And special thanks to National Nail. In the land of the givers where love knows no end, little Mikey the Mouse met with Kiki, his friend.
Hiya, pal. What you building?
A fun, crafty house,
Oh, I like how you think.
said the quick little mouse. It's a clubhouse for crafting up high in this tree, so my friends can create when they play here with me.
Kiki, that is so awesome. Guess what? I build too. Some have said I'm the best when they see what I do. I've won medals for making a track with a ramp, for a mega machine at my Build-A-Bunch camp. You see, building's my thing.
Mikey, see all that space? There's a perfect-sized branch. Want to build your own place?
I'll grab all my tools. Then I'll build a huge shop on that branch to the left, near the tippity top.
Well, I can't wait to see it. Your pals will be thrilled when they visit the workshop you're planning to build. But when Mikey zipped back, he saw all the great things his pal Kiki had built with cool cubbies and swings. Mikey's small heart felt nervous. It thumped in his chest.
Now I wonder if Kiki thinks she is the best. I'll just show her my skills. I can be awesome too. So whatever she makes or she builds, I'll outdo. Is your clubhouse 1 level? Well, I'm building 4.
Mikey smirked.
You have swings, but I plan to have more. I'll build 7 more cubbies along with a slide.
With each boast and each brag, his small heart filled with pride.
Pal, your book nook is nice, but there's more I can bring. Now stand back while I build a whole library wing.
Kiki looked quite concerned. Mikey, that's quite a scheme. Are you feeling okay? Because I've noticed a theme, that you try to one-up me, whatever I do. If I build one of something, you want to build 2. You think that you've gotten too carried away with your super huge build? Can't you feel that tree sway? Building might be your thing, but you're tearing me down with your one-upping words. Kiki wore a big frown. The mouse coughed.
I don't think so. One-upping? No way! You're just seeing my natural-born skills on display. I can't help if I'm good,
the mouse said. One more brag.
I can build really fast, and I have so much swag.
Totally awesome tool belt. Hamorama. Saws all the things. Kiki sighed. Okay. Can you feel that branch dip? This is bad. Let's get out of here. Mikey, don't slip. They were quickety-quick, sliding down with a thunk. Kiki tried to be kind, but Mike's attitude stunk. One more boast.
See my build? Check it out at the top. You can tell mine's the best.
Then they both heard a pop. With the braggiest brag and the boastiest boast, Mikey's build took a tumble. The shop, it was toast. As the dust finally cleared, Mikey stood at the scene.
This is such a huge mess.
Now I see what you mean.
Friend, I tried to one-up you. My shop didn't last. You were kind. I was prideful and built way too fast. And my words tore you down. I said everything wrong. Now my thinker has changed. You were right all along. Kiki, do you forgive me?
Yes, buddy, I do.
You deserve a big medal for just being you.
Kiki hugged her pal tight. Mikey, how would you feel if we both shared the clubhouse?
Wow, friend, it's a deal.
So now what about you? Do you brag left and right? Do you one-up your pals to feel better each night? Take a tip from the mouse. Change your thinker today and start building up friends with the words that you say. Okay, let's walk through our Land of the Givers game. Talk about it. Why did Mikey get nervous when he saw Kiki's amazing clubhouse? Friendship challenge number 1. When you see that your friend has done something amazing, tell them, "Great job." Which friend in the story said, "You were kind, I was prideful, and built way too fast"? Talk about it. What did Kiki say when she noticed Mikey was one-upping her? Love does not boast, from 1 Corinthians 13. Build others up with the things that you say. Friendship challenge number 2. If you're nervous around a talented friend, remember, the you that you are is amazing. Hey, did you happen to spot 2 of our friends in the story? Better to give and see more good? They were in there. If you didn't see them, flip back through and try to find them. And don't forget to check out our big-hearted glossary and fun activities in the member portal. All you have to do is scan right there and change your thinker today.